as the dangle for the poll-bound Haryana sets on a note now on the alliance between the Aam Aadmi Party and the Congress in the Haryana. AAP's national spokesperson Priyanka Khakkar has also commented, saying that the talks have been underway between both the Indie bloc parties to form an alliance in the state of Haryana. Further, she also said that the AAP is prepared to contest for elections on all the 90 seats. Let's in fact now listen into what she detailed said.
Talks are ongoing, so it is too early to comment on this. But आम आदमी पार्टी हरियाणा में लगातार काम कर रही है. आज भी सुनीता केजरीवाल जी की वहां पर जनसभा लगी हुई है. हम पूरी तरह से तैयार हैं सारी 90 सीट्स पर लड़ने को. हम लोग अभी आखिरी के 5 दिन में तो मेहनत नहीं करना शुरू करेंगे. काम तो चल ही रहा है. वहां पे आपको पता है, हम कुरुक्षेत्र से लड़े थे सुशील गुप्ता जी, और वहां पे उनका वोट भी 5,13,416 वोट था शायद. बहुत कम मार्जिन से डिफीट हुई थी. तो हमारा ये दिखाता है कि हमारा ग्राउंड पर संगठन वहां कितना मजबूत है. सीट्स भी हम अनाउंसमेंट भी शायद 1-2 दिन में हो जाए. टॉक्स आर ऑनगोइंग एंड वी आर होपफुल.
All right, joining me on this broadcast at this point is my colleague Shubh Rana. Shubh, right now what we are also hearing is some talk on the possibility of the alliance between the AAP and the Congress in the poll-bound Haryana. But as far as the Congress's side is concerned, there are no concrete statements that's coming forward. But from the AAP side, we have heard Priyanka Khakkar saying that there are talks ongoing. What exactly is the signal for the parties?
Yes, definitely, because today Priyanka Khakkar said that talks are going on and it is too early to say anything right now. Because, everything depends on the high command, which is the CM Arvind Kejriwal, who is in Tihar right now. Although Aam Aadmi Party was very positive last week when there was hearing in Supreme Court, but definitely before taking any decision, they will have a word with Arvind Kejriwal and also Sandeep Pathak along with Sushil Gupta, who is currently heading Aam Aadmi Party in Haryana. And today also Sunita Kejriwal is holding a Jan Sabha in Haryana itself. So definitely Aam Aadmi Party is contesting in Haryana, but in the back door, if we look after this situation, because a week before we were hearing that there was conversation with the Congress and Raghav Chadha was holding Aam Aadmi Party's part, but today the fresh developments have been taking place when Aam Aadmi Party national spokesperson have said that Aam Aadmi Party is continuously working in Haryana. We are fully prepared to contest elections on all 90 seats and our organization is so strong on the ground. This is what Priyanka Khakkar have been saying. And if we talk about the sources of the party, because there are hardly 5 days left when every candidate have to file for their nomination. And in these 5 days, the politics will again can take another shape, because right now Sandeep Pathak will also hold a press conference where we can get a better picture on what is the what is the status of the talks which have been going with the Congress leaders, because from the Congress part there have been no concrete statements, but Aam Aadmi Party have been having a word with Congress leadership, but still there have been so much in the air which needs to be cleared up by both the leadership.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.